In this video, we are going to see how we can switch from old Reddit view to new one. So if you have accidentally turned on the old or classic mode of Reddit, here's how you can easily switch that back to the modern view. All you have to do is just find the preferences option on the top right hand corner, click on that. And from here, under the options, you scroll all the way down to this option which says safety and privacy options. Click on set safety and privacy options next to it. And you will land on this tab, which is the privacy options. From here, you will switch to preferences tab and scroll a little bit down until you see this option that says default to old Reddit. As you can see, it is toggled on. We need to toggle this off, and that's it. You go to the home tab, and just to make sure that everything is working perfectly, you right here Reddit, open that up, and it should always open in the modern view now. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.